is the winner from today's review is gonna get a place right here. And as I keep making YouTube videos, all of these displays are gonna get populated. Alright, so let's start with the Mazda. Look at the car right there. Number one. So the details, well, he has a grill right there. It's looking pretty good. The front. The rear, he has the tail lights, as they should, as these are premium, but not much detail in that spoiler right there. The wheels, well, just black wheels, and that's it. It's way too dark windows right there. I mean, you barely can see the interiors. I mean, there are interiors, but barely you can see them. And look at that. You notice something? No side view mirrors. What's going on here? How dare you? Come on, this is an RX-7. Don't do that. Paint looks a bit too plain, but it's good. It's a simplistic design, so there's a few sponsors there, and it feels good in the fingers. Let's do the 1967 Chevy Camaro Offroad. Look at the car right there, very nice. Let's see the front. Well, nice grille over there, and this detail of the bumpers. Right, very nice. In the rear, same. Not much details of the tail lights there. In the front, yeah, you have in there, but not that much details on the rear. And look at those wheels. I mean, they look gigantic, isn't it? Right. Interiors, well, this time you can see them. It's not, there are clear windows here in the front, the windshield in the rear. And again, come on, Hot Wheels, no side view mirrors for a premium? No way. The paint, well, I don't know. It kind of wants to be a matte, but it's not. It wants also to be a metallic, but it's not. I don't know. I kind of have mixed feelings about the paint. It's quite cool in terms of the color and those stripes, right? But I don't know. Now, let's do the Cherokee. See the car right there. Very nice. Look at that. Grille, okay. Headlights are there, okay. There's a Jeep emblem there, okay. In the back, Jeep emblem, tail lights, okay, and the exhaust, and the exhaust is here. So, okay. Again, just black wheels, nothing wow there, but okay, good. And yeah, for this one I can see the side view mirror, so yay. Interiors, well, it's an SUV, so it's a lot of stuff there, and I like the fact that they make this sunroof there, and it's transparent, so cool. I mean, in the car, I mean, it wants to be metallic, right? I can see that it's metallic, isn't it? Right, but in the car itself, it's like a sparkly thing going on, so I don't know. Again, doesn't wow me. Now let's do the Porsche. Nice car right there. Porsche. Let's look at the front. Grille, good. Headlights. Wow, look at that. I mean, they're not just like painted black. It's actually it's clear. It's clear. It's a bit dark, but it's clear. Very good job there. Emblem, quite nice. Quite nice. Excellent work here. The rear. Ooh, look at that. So well, so cool. So the textures and everything. I wish they could have put the license plate though. And the spoiler is metal, and I can see the gap here. Very nice, excellent work here. The wheels, well, it's okay. Interiors, you can see the interiors now. There's everything. It's like a dark. It's clear, but it's a bit dark. A little bit, just a little bit, which is good. This is good. This is excellent. This is outstanding. Outstanding level of detail. And look at that. Side view mirrors. So, very good. Paint. Well, it's just white. That's it. But it's a solid white. And that's it. Nothing else than that. Very simplistic. I like it. I like it.
I'm not a writer. Okay.
And the last, the Nissan Skyline. Look at that card. Which it has the artwork of the Supra. So, very good. Very unique. Look at those textures at the front. Pretty nice. Very excellent work here. The headlights, the grille, and the GT-R logo is there. So pretty good. The rear. Excellent, and this time we have a license plate. Very good. The taillights they're good. They're okay. Emblem. Can you see Nissan right now? Not that. You cannot see that the Nissan logo very well. And the spoiler, metal. That's how I like it.
Oh no, don't tell me no side view mirrors in the Skyline. How dare you?
Paint. Well, I mean, it borrows the design of the Supra in the movies, but it's pretty damn good, and which is pretty damn good. Look at that. No, it's pretty good. here is the Porsche. The amount of details on this thing, it's legendary. It's very well made. So there you go. Congratulations, buddy. You earned it.